Hey there, good morning. Shahzad Arsi this side. You don't know me, but let me take a minute to introduce myself. This is me, Shahzad Arsi. You can uh, Google about me and you can search me on YouTube as well. I have got some videos in YouTube and you can Google me, Shahzad Arsi, you will find me out. You don't know me, but let me tell you about me. I am one of the interns of Deepak Kanakraju. Deepak Kanakraju, and I am his first. Uh, I am the intern of his first batch of digital marketing internship program, and I've got some good news for you that digital marketing internship batch two is going to start from February 5th, 2020, 9 p.m. Indian time, and it will be mentored by, as you all know, Deepak Kanakraju. He is one of the legend in digital marketing industry, right? So, if you are someone who is interested in learning digital marketing and 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 are eager and are ready to join as an intern of digital marketing, then you are at the right place. So let me share what you will learn in digital marketing internship program, right? So what you will learn in this digital marketing internship program, starting from anatomy of marketing and its important in digital marketing, which is the first class. When you will enroll in the webinar, uh, you will get the program schedules, what you will be going through in the digital marketing internship program, and it is a 3 month internship program, right? Which I forgot to mention in the slide. So pardon me for that. After that, in the next week, uh, every week you will have a class of internship program, and you will get one full week to complete the assignment and win back a cash reward for yourself. Okay. After the first class, you will learn in the second class customer avatar. Here the game begins because this will separate you from the amid beginner digital marketer to a proficient and expert digital marketer. If you know your customer avatar well, then you are way ahead than your competitors, right? Then you will learn about copywriting and it's important in digital marketing industry. Then you will learn about sales letter and it's important and how you can write better sales letter to persuade your reader to take the right call to action when they land in your blog or website, right? After that, you will learn about personal branding and why you should have personal branding, uh, and you should emphasize on this personal branding more than anything else, because if you develop your personal brand, then you will make a name of your, okay, in this industry. And website role in digital marketing is very important, and it is huge. And nowadays, as a digital marketer, website is like your resume, and if you develop your website in the right way, then then you are then 80% of your job is done, and the recruiter is ready to hire you if your website is set up in the right way, right? And your website, just think your website is like your resume. After that, you will learn about automation work through Zapier and how you can automate the weekly that you can do in weeks or month in just couple of hours. Okay, you can automate that and much more to follow, because I'm in the mid of the internship program, and the value which I am getting through this internship program that I was eager to make a video of my experience, sharing my experience as a digital marketing internship program after joining this first batch of internship program. And this is the person whom I'm talking about. This you all know, Deepak Kanakraju. If you are in this industry, in digital market industry, then you are aware of his name of Deepak Kanakraju, and he is the profiliant. He is the most prolific digital marketer ever in India. Okay, he gives you to join this internship program under his guidance, under his mentorship, right? And let me tell you, uh, okay, and let me tell you who is this program for, who can join this digital marketing internship program. If you are, as you can see, if you are totally new in digital marketing and want to make a career in digital marketing, then you should definitely check out for more info in the webinar, which I have mentioned here in the first slide itself, February 5th, 2020, 9 p.m. Indian time by Deepak Kanagraju. You can register for this webinar if you are totally new in digital marketing and want to make a career in digital marketing. Okay. Second is the person, if you are average and have little knowledge of digital marketing, then you fall in my category. If you are someone who has couple of years experience in digital marketing and want to save your years into weeks, then you should definitely check out for more information in the webinar itself, right? And the other, the third and the most important category that I hope only few of you might be fall in this category. If you are experienced in digital marketing, then you should check out the webinar. The result being, you can connect with the like-minded digital marketer, expect a better position in digital marketing job, excel your digital marketing journey, learn insight from the industry leader. Okay, and most importantly, you can minimize your year's work into couple of weeks, right? You don't need to uh, make your hands dirty and learn from the industry leader, right? Okay, right. Then how you will benefit from this webinar? You will earn by doing weekly assignment. If you are someone who is serious about digital marketing, your digital marketing career, then you earn from this internship from this program by completing assignment, which is value booster for you. Means there are weekly assignment. Okay, let me remove myself from here. There is, see, there is a weekly assignment where you will get weekly assignment, and if you complete the assignment and submit back to Deepak within the time frame, then you earn a cash reward every week by completing the assignment. Right? This is the first ever assignment, sorry, internship that gives you earning opportunities, and the earning opportunities is double than your investment, which you will the details you can get from the webinar itself. And reward and success stories are out of 500 students. I Out of 500 students, uh, already more than 50 students have got job, and I can't share everyone on this slide. You can get all the insight of the success story from the webinar. But let me tell you, more than 50 students have been placed in some companies or other as a digital marketer. And if you are someone who is looking for a digital marketing job, then you should definitely enroll for this webinar. Okay, and don't take my words for granted. Just do one thing. Just do one thing. Bookmark this date, February 5th, 2029 p.m. Indian time, uh, Indian time in your calendar, and just register for the webinar and see that this program is for you or not. If you find this program internship, if you find this internship program for you, then you can definitely go ahead and enroll for the internship batch. Otherwise, you are free to leave out or quit anytime in the webinar itself. So hope you hope you will do yourself a favor, and if you are someone who is looking for digital marketing internship program, then here is the opportunity for you. Hurry, the time is running, and you have to register for the webinar, February 5th, 2020 webinar. Before this, this is the date. Before that, you have to register the webinar so that you are able to you are able to attend the webinar, right? See you inside. Okay, thank you. Saizad Darsi signing off for now. Thank you.